Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the plagiarism detector using Python. So these are the three files we are comparing, the coding files. Okay, so let's check one by one. Okay, let's open second file. Let's open the third file. So these are the three coding files. Now open Notepad. Like I'm writing whatever I will do it. So if you saw sample 1 and sample 2, this two files are same. Okay, the sample 1 and sample 2 are two same files. Okay, this is the complete web page. So this will be our website. From here you can detect the plagiarism between those files. Okay, what we have to do, we have to upload any files and model will detect the plagiarism. Here you have to select the files dataset. Okay, let's click on check plagiarism and select the assignment folder. Okay, let's scroll down. This is the complete web page. Now click on check plagiarism and select the assignment folder. Let's go to particular location and click on upload. Okay, upload. So these are the assignment list and click on the array matrix. So it will show the result like the sample 1 and sample 2 will be highly plagiarized. So as you can see, system has detected the plagiarism score. Okay, it will show the score and the comment like highly plagiarism, low plagiarism, and click on Sklearn Cosine. So it will also show the result with the score and file name. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend.